What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
What a go on, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. What a go on, how you do? I hope you alright, I hope you in good health and good strength. And guys, remember, you know, doing wellness check on your friends and family. And guys, also remember, check on the people, because domestic violence is serious. You know, domestic violence is a very dangerous and serious thing. People are losing their life. If today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Yesterday your birthday, happy belated birthday. If tomorrow your birthday, happy soon come birthday. Yes, happy soon come birthday. My viewers and subscribers, you know, say, I watched some video the other day, and I say, Alicia Kim down in Jamaica, y'all have fun, girl have fun, young lady have fun. Yeah man, Alicia Kim down in Jamaica, she spend mothers. Listen now. Listen how important this is. Alicia Kim is in Jamaica as a mother with her daughter, spending it with her mother who give her life, who give her joy. She wants to spend that time with our mother and have fun with our mother. She link up with a couple friends too. Have some wonderful time, enjoy food, enjoy cooking, and enjoy the hot, full blast sun of Jamaica. It's very nice to see her. A flourish, a laugh, a smile, just to see her have a wonderful time, I rejoice, feeling good. As a man, as a father, as a human being, I feel good for her. Yeah man, I feel really good for her. I think she feel good for herself too. And I think she feel good for which part she reach. And I also think she feel good with all what she have learned throughout these rough days and rough times and rough months. Because let me say this to each and every one of you. Not many people divorce and feel sad about it. Some people get divorced and it's like they wanted the divorce, they well want the divorce. So them just take it and go on about them business. She get divorced, sit down, you know, things rough, things get away, and then you have people as strong, fling our life through social media, up and down social media, and all those things because of, as you all know, a man decided to, as the man said, remember the man said himself, Mackie said it out of his own mouth, he did the right thing. Hold on guys, did you all hear, or maybe we don't hear, but Mackie make a video and say he did the right thing when he walk out at the house. And Alicia Kim, he said he did the right thing. He said it out of his own mouth. So guys, right now I am very happy. I feel good about what is happening to Alicia Kim, how she's enjoying herself, how she's enjoying her life. And Alicia Kim, if you are listening to that video, yeah, or if you see that video, or if anybody tell about that video, whole heap of vlogs, just make the vlog them, make the video them, video a whole heap of place. When you come back in the US, just splice them in your video, put them in your video, and just show off your country, show off Jamaica, show off the time where you have. Make a whole heap of video. Just make video. Not just make the video them and post them right away. Or not just make them and post them. Make them and put them down. Make them and keep them. Make them and have them. And when you are going to make your other videos then when you're coming at the US, you just put in a piece of when you was in Jamaica. That's called content creation right there. So just make the video them at Jamaica. Put in all kind of piece. You never have to say nothing. Just get some river shots and some shots of some, you know, if you can drive, go up in the Blue Mountain Peak and all them places. Just get, hey, you see if me ever, you see anytime you see me go down to Jamaica, me neck back, I go make some videos, you see people. Yeah. But guys, that is just how I feel. I feel good to how me say Alicia Kim down at Jamaica there. I enjoy herself. I enjoy her life. I feel good about herself. I feel good about being in a Jamaica. You know, one of the times she said she left her daughter with grandma so that she can go out because it's sun too hot. So she can go out on the street, go have a nice time, go enjoy friends, go enjoy her place where she born and grow. And guys, hold on there. The other thing is, you see, she has show you her home. Yes, she has show, you know, she not come from nowhere. Yes, she not come from nowhere. So all of a sudden, the good Lord just drop somewhere out of the sky and drop it right in a puppy in there. Right which part she grew up. Yeah, the good Lord just drop it. Yes, the good Lord just drop it. All of a sudden, yes, voila! Something just dropped there because I remember she never have nothing. Remember she not come from nowhere, she not live nowhere, she come from bush. So the good Lord just drop a concrete structure there, you know, a nice concrete structure. You know, she see her pin out her clothes, them on the line and all them things. She just feel the Jamaica. She just feel that Jamaican culture. She just feel, she just regain back what she lost for a little bit. You know, it's just nice to see her live up. It's just nice to see her climb the mountain. It's just nice to see her elevate herself up to a level of I don't even know what word to really use, but it feels nice to see her. I feel nice. It feels nice to see her. I feel nice because remember, months and years and weeks she was acting like she feel nice. But now to realize and see her face, to see that persona, you know, to see that Alicia Kim come out, you know, it's very good to see that Alicia Kim coming out and that Alicia Kim is not, you know, looking like, you know, it feel good. Yeah, it feel good. And let me tell you something. Alicia Kim, and this is, I'll go say this, and I'm going to say this to all the viewers and the subscribers them out there. Sometimes I don't want to make any video, and I go be honest here. Sometimes I want to just let her live. Just let her live and don't have to hear another creator call her name. Even though we are not saying anything bad about her. But I just want her to just live and just fly like a bird. So sometimes I won't make no video about Alicia Kim at all. Because I want her to just wake up one morning and look on the YouTube and see nothing about her. I just want her to have her video, post her video, put up her video. I wish she don't have to be seeing a video and be like, oh, what they talking now about me? You know, so that's why sometimes you don't see me make any video. And as a matter of fact, also, I want to say this. I am a content creator. I'm not a content creator for one person. I'm a content creator for myself. So I'm going to make other videos, post other videos out there. And guys, I'm going to ask all of my subscribers and viewers, when you see me make other videos, support the video. Just like how you support if I make a video about the person that you really like. Yeah man, I'm asking to support the videos, because if you subscribe to me because you like what I'm saying about that individual, then you should like what I'm saying about anything else, you know. Even if you don't watch the videos, I'm asking you, I'm begging the thumbs up. Because guys, I'm going to say something, you see. Right now, I go do some work on the truck. Right now, I'm late, but I'm going to do some work on my truck. And I'm going to also do some work on Eunice truck. Guys, when you watch the videos, when you thumbs up the videos, I get paid from YouTube. When I get paid from YouTube, I'll use those money to work on the truck, to do all kind of things. If you don't watch the video, then I won't make no money. And this is the thing, guys. Some people said to me that I should do a GoFundMe for, you know, to see if I could get some money from people who want to donate to, you know, just to fix my truck. And I have get some of viewers and subscribers have, I think two of them have sent me some funds and said, you know, and I really and truly appreciate it. Really and truly appreciate just the gesture, just the thought of it. But guys, to be honest with you, somebody said to me I should do a live, you know, just so, and I just, honestly, I would love to do it. I would like to do it, but I gotta be honest with you, I am scared of doing it because I just like to work hard to get money. I don't like to ask people for help. I don't like to ask people for money, because you have some people, not all people, you have some people is going to find something to say about it. And most time what they're saying about it is bad. You know, as I did that GoFundMe for the people, collect the money to go for the Melissa, and people say I'm a thief. People say I'm fraud and all them things. And to be honest with you, I have never done them things. So sometimes I would do it. I'm thinking about doing it because people been asking me why I don't do it. But I'm not sure, because I don't want people to call me thief, and I don't like it. You know, because the thing is, I'm a person who I don't like to let people know everything that I do. I've done a lot of things where I cook food and give to the homeless people, and I have never videoed those things. You know, so the thing is, sometimes it's just how I feel towards asking for things. My dad have cancer, prostate cancer, and he never tell anybody, never tell us that he have it. What he did was he tried to fix it himself. He tried to spend money, and then when when I know that my father have prostate cancer was when it's stage 4. That was when he told me. And when him tell me, and I says, man, how comes you just tell me this? Him say him never want to bother me. Him never want to bother me. So me say, oh, you mean you never want to bother me? You are my father. Whatever money I have is yours. I go use it to save your life. If the money is what go save your life, that's what go work. So when he tell me that, I start to spend. People, oh Lord Jesus, I spend so much money on my father trying to save his life, trying to get this cancer away from him, only to know that it was too late. And I go tell you exactly what happened. When the doctors them take all of my money, that was the time the doctor them tell me, Mr. Rodney, it's too late. There's nothing we can do again. After they take couple millions, I even go in my bank account. I take every dollar I could take to try to see if I could save my dad's life. But guess what? It never worked. And he passed away. So guys, you see my food truck? My food truck was able to help me to bury my father, because my food truck was my only way of income. That was my business. And I tell you, for 8 years, I don't work for nobody, because my food truck is my way of life. For 8 years. And then boom, somebody dismantled my truck. So guys, I understand what happiness is, and I understand what when you're feeling down is. So the reason why I tell you that story is just to give you an little way of knowing how Alicia Kim feeling right now, to know that she don't really have to be worrying about her name being flinging out there, and still people is doing it. There's people out there who still making videos about it. I saw a guy the other day. I don't know him. This is the first time I see him. But he have my name and Alicia Kim name on his thumbnail, saying that I am a man and I should be backing Mackie. But he don't realize that I am a man and I am also a dad of 3 girls. Yeah, he don't realize that. I am not just a man. I am a man and I am a dad of 3 young ladies who do not want anybody to do them like what Mackie have done to Alicia Kim. So I'm not going to talk on the behalf of Mackie, because of what? Huh? What did Alicia Kim do? So I'm very happy to see Alicia Kim in Jamaica having an excellent, wonderful, beautiful time. Yes, I really feel nice and good to see the time that she's having. She's having the time of her life. Yes, she's having the time of her life, and I respect it, I appreciate it, and I really wish if she could make a lot of videos on guys, you all hear that? That's the code I have to put in to this place for the gate to open to go in where my food truck is. If I don't put that code in, that door will not open. Yeah, that door will not open at all. But yet still, somebody have a code to come in here to destroy my things. Yeah, somebody have a code to come in and destroy it. But guys, I will rise again. Yeah, I will rise again. Yeah, I will rise again. But guys, remember, have a wonderful day and have a beautiful time. I'm going to do some work now, and then I'll catch up with you now when I finish. Because while I'm working, I should do a video while I'm working, but when I do the video, I didn't bring my the stick. I didn't bring my tripod. Yeah, I didn't bring my tripod. One of them days when I bring my tripod, I'm going to show you guys the work I'm doing and what I'm doing and all them kind of things. But one of them days, I think maybe that's fair, and because I'm building a different channel, so I think maybe that is that's go be for that channel, because that's gonna be my life. That's gonna be a different kind of video. It's not gonna be like this. So guys, on the behalf of me, myself, and I, have a wonderful day. I'm out. Bye bye.